buy coins on Phantom Wallet. How to buy coins on Phantom Wallet is easy and simple. Now after you open your Phantom Wallet app, make sure you are logged into your account. Now after that, tap on buy. Now after that, select any crypto that you want to buy. For example, you want to buy Solana. Now enter the amount you want to buy, like $100 or 1,000. So anything that you want. Now after that, you are ready to go. For example, you have or you want to 100. Now after that, select one of the providers and now click on one of them and fill the info to buy the Solana on your Phantom Wallet. Now the other method is, for example, you receive Ethereum from other wallets like Tonekeeper or Trust Wallet or a Bitget wallet or anything like that. Now after that, select Ethereum or just tap on swap. Now for from the top, select the crypto that you like. From here, select the crypto that you receive, for example, the Ethereum. Now after you select it, now just tap on this swap icon to be able to convert the Ethereum to like Solana. So after you select the crypto you receive, for example, Ethereum, now select the crypto you want to buy with Ethereum. For example, Solana, we want to buy Solana. Now enter the amount you want to buy, like for 10 Ethereum. And here you will see how much you will receive of Sol if you buy 10 Ethereum. Now after that, see here, this is the providers. So make sure you select one of them. And here the price that you will receive. Now after you are ready to go and tap on swap to be able to buy like coin or the Solana on your Phantom Wallet. So this is how to buy coins on Phantom Wallet. So thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.